before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean, I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. What you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Arizona garden, stucco in the heat. Let me take you dancing. Let me get you on your feet. Arizona garden with my little cactus flower. Let the day slip away in the golden hour. We've got nothing but time and music, and a sweet cool drink in the heat. Oh, I'll be beside you every step of the way, right here beside you.
Prepare to turn left in 800 meters.
Every step of the way.
The speed limit is 80.
Prickly pear in a sandy bed, holding you heals me, but loving you hurts my head. Oh, Arizona
In
garden
300
in the
meters, turn left
afternoon.
onto Spring Road.
No matter what happens, it's
Take
me
the next
and
left
you,
onto Spring Road.
baby. Nothing but time and music, and a sweet cool drink on her feet. I'll be
In
beside
350 meters, enter the roundabout.
every step of the
onto Clark Road.
way. Right
The speed limit is 50.
beside you, every step of the way, every step of the way.
Take the third exit onto Clark Road. Prepare to arrive at destination on the left. in 600 metres.